The Sani-Stick simplifies surface monitoring, even in hard-to-reach areas. A sterility certificate is available for download on our website, and each bag has a unique identifier and a lot number that ensure full product traceability. Identify the bag. Open the bag, remove any excess liquid, and take out the Sani-Stick without touching the inside of the bag. Sample the desired area by applying pressure at a 45 degrees angle. Our robust handle features textured grips for secure handling. Then release the sponge with one hand using its patented clamp system and close the bag. It is airtight and ready for transport and analysis. Easy to use, precise, and fast. The Sani-Stick is the ideal tool for surface sampling. Contact our team to learn more about the Sani-Stick.